Welcome to Science Class with Teacher Fauziah.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. I am just so happy you're here with me today. In our time together, we're going to do something really special and, well, really fun. We are going to build a plant together, step by step. Okay, let's dive right in. Look at this lovely plant. Have you ever looked really closely at a little plant in your garden or maybe at the park? Well, today we are going to be plant explorers. We're going to discover all its secret parts, and we are starting from the very bottom. So the thing is, we can't just start at the top. Oh no, to build our plant, we have to start all the way down in the dirt. The very first part of our plant is actually hiding underground. It's right beneath your feet where, we can't always see it. And here is exactly what's hiding down there in the dirt. See those brown lines? Those are called the roots. The roots are under the soil. They reach deep down into the earth, acting like a super strong foundation so our little plant is held safely and, well, doesn't tip over. Now look at this big word on the screen. Can you take your pointing finger, point right at it, and say it out loud together with me? Ready? Root. Let's practice that just one more time. Say it with me. Root. Wow, absolutely fantastic job. You've already learned the very first secret part of our plant. Okay, so see how this builds. We're moving above the ground now. We want to see exactly what holds the rest of the plant up in the air. It's time to grow up. So this long, straight green part, that is called the stem. The stem holds the plant upright. It acts just like a strong backbone, keeping our plant standing tall and proud so it can reach high up into the air. Now, check out this new word. Take that pointing finger again, point right at the letters, and let's read it together out loud. Stem. Say it with me, nice and loud. STEM. I am just so proud of you. That is absolutely great work. Our plant is getting taller and taller. But wait, our plant needs something else to keep growing. It needs special parts that grow outward from the stem, reaching out to catch all that warm sunshine. Look at this wonderful shape here. The leaf is green and flat. It reaches right out from the stem, almost like a friendly little hand waving hello to the sun. Okay, I want you to look really closely at this new word. Can you take your finger, point right at the word, and say it with me? Leaf. Say it with me one more time. Leaf. You are doing a fantastic job at building this plant with me today. We have roots, we have a stem, and we have a leaf. We literally only have one final part left. And here we go. We have officially reached the very top of our plant. Honestly, this is my favorite part because it's usually the absolute prettiest part of all. Look at how bright and beautiful this is. The flower is colorful. It has these wonderful red petals and a really bright yellow dot right in the middle. Let's look at our final word for the day. Take your finger one last time, point right at the word, and say it out loud. Flower. Say it with me. Flower. Hooray! Go ahead and give yourself a big clap and a pat on the back. You have just learned all 4 basic parts of a plant. Now let's look at this whole thing together. Here is our fully assembled plant. See how everything connects so perfectly? The roots are under the soil. Right above them, the stem holds the plant upright. Reaching out to the sides, the leaf is green and flat. And right at the top, the flower is colorful. It is just perfect. Okay, now let's play a quick little guessing game together to see what we remember. Take a look at this colorful picture right here. Does this show a flower or does it show a root? I'll wait a second while you decide. If you said flower, you are exactly right. Great job. Let's try just one more of these. Look really closely at this green flat shape. Is this a leaf or is it a stem? Tell me what you think. Yes, you got it. It is a leaf. I am seriously cheering you on from over here. You are doing wonderfully. Let's look at our learning checklist for today. We'll read through them slowly together. I can name a flower. Yes. I can name a leaf. Yes. I can name a stem. Yes. I can name a root. Yes. You can now proudly tell everyone that you know all of these plant parts. So I want to leave you with a fun question to think about. Next time you go outside to play in the yard or at the park, which plant part will you try to look for first? Will it be the beautiful, colorful flower, the green flat leaf, the tall straight stem, or maybe you'll even try to imagine the hidden roots resting safely under the soil. Thank you so much for exploring with me today. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep growing, just like the wonderful plants we built today. See you next time.
Thank you for learning science with me. Please complete the worksheet that I will share shortly. To parents, kindly print it out to make it easier for the children to do their schoolwork.